everyone. Today, me and my dad are gonna make
fried chicken, greens and cabbage, sweet potato pie, and mac and cheese. Our favorites.
and cornbread.
We're prepping for fried chicken. All right, we have chicken wings here. You bend it over, pop it in the bag. 1, 2, bam. So now we're gonna season the chicken. I start off with a little curry. I sprinkle some on top. A little seasoning salt. A little kicking chicken. I use Montreal season to give some coarse seasoning. And then I add fine black pepper because we need black pepper in there in the mix. Then what you do is you cut a lemon, squeeze it over your fried chicken. Got the chicken seasoned. We cover it up and let it set for a moment and then get the grease ready.
So this is the cast iron Dutch oven, and you're gonna fill the vegetable oil halfway.
Set the flame on medium and let the grease warm. All right, we're almost done prepping for the greens. We have the onions cut up, the peppers, and we're gonna add them to the saute pan. We're gonna saute the onions and the peppers with the seasoning. And since we don't use meat, we use our special chipotle chili flakes to give the smoky flavor of meat. So our greens don't have any meat in it, it's all vegetables. And we're gonna trick everybody with the chipotle.
Chipotle.
So we're gonna add olive oil to our pan, put it on medium heat. Hear that sizzle? Now we add the seasonings for the greens. And of course, a little chipotle for the smoky taste.
Chipotle.
Chipotle, that's how I say it. Chipotle. Grace is using my grandma's wooden spoon, and she's sauteing those onions. Now we're gonna place those into the sauteing onions and add water.
After you saute all the vegetables, you put cabbage and collard greens with water into the pot. So now you're gonna peel your your sweet potatoes.
Also known as yams. There you go, chop, chop. Go ahead. We boil the potatoes until they're al dente. We got the snap, crackle, and pop of the grease. We can hear it, it's ready for the chicken. For fried chicken, the main thing is to have a brown paper bag inside of a plastic bag, so the flour, you can shake the chicken up. Put the flour inside the bag. All right, next, you're gonna put a couple of wings, at least 4 wings at a time, in the paper bag and shake it up. And shake it up. Woo! Make sure it's closed and shake it up. Just like this.
You have to fold it again.
Sometimes you have to fold it again. If it pops loose, then you place it in the Dutch oven. You dump it down. Starts frying.
So now we have the fried chicken cooking, we have our yams cooking, and we have our greens cooking. And now we have to do the mac and cheese and cornbread.
Prepping for the sweet potato pies, you have to cook them for 10 minutes. Prepping for the mac.
Do I put all of it?
No, just half a container. We're cooking a small. That's good.
So now I'm gonna make the cornbread. So you put 2 whole packages of the cornbread mix. This is what it looks like. You can buy it at Ralph's.
Jiffy muffin mix.
Jiffy muffin mix. The recipe calls for 2/3 milk and 2 eggs if you put 2 packages in. Here's 1 egg, another.
2/3. There you go.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
First batch is done. First batch of chicken wings, nice and golden. Woo, hot! Where's that spoon?
Then you put the cornbread in a container.
We're taking the pie crust out, sitting it on the table.
Okay, so you put half of the noodles and you put cheese. Then you do a sprinkle of salt.
Add evaporated milk, noodles, to the top. Cover the top. The sweet potatoes are now al dente. Put them in the colander. Take them out. Immediately put them here in our smashing bowl. The butter. And smash it all together. I'm adding the Eagle brand condensed milk to cool it off. 6, 1, 2.
Then you put brown sugar. Then you put cinnamon.
A capful of lemon extract.
And a capful of vanilla
extract.
So this is our sides, what we have for our sides. So this is we're about to put it in the oven. This is our macaroni and cheese. And this is our cornbread. And the sweet potato pie, the best part for dessert, but not really for dessert. Thank you for watching. This is the final product. It looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. From our family to yours.